Hey guys, it's Karl. Another Apple video, and these are the new AirPods Pro V2s, the AirPod Pro 2s. AirPod 2 Pros? AirPod 2 Pros? What's the official naming?
Gen 2.
Gen 2. The Gen 2 AirPods Pro. So these actually haven't got a refresh, or these are the first refresh to the original AirPod Pros in 3 years. And I actually have my OG still kicking around here. They still work, maybe slightly filled with earwax. That's okay. We are going to get to the unboxing. I have used them quickly to give you guys my thoughts if they're worth the upgrade. And of course, inside of the box, we'll quickly check out what we have. The V2s are MagSafe charging, and you can see here all of the rest of the instructions, which we'll all get to in a second. And inside, we still sadly have a USB-C to Lightning cable. I wish Pro devices were kind of making that switch over to all USB-C, but we just had the iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, still stuck with Lightning. So it is still existing with this cable. And since these are the Pro versions, they do have the little silicone tips. You also have the different rubber tip sizes. So they do come with medium ones currently installed on the AirPods. And you can see here, there's large, small, and extra small for all of you with tiny little ears. And off the bat, they initially look the same, and all that's really changing for the case, you do have this little lanyard cutout on one of the sides, and that's to just essentially stick a little loop through, so you can stick this on your wrist, you can attach it to a backpack. So a nice little addition. I'm not too sure people that use that, but if you do, you got it. And on the insides, when you flip them up, they almost look the same, except we do have this little cutout up top, which is a differentiator from, of course, the Gen 1s. And one extra little thing about the new case, they have new little speaker grills on the bottom, and that's just in case you lose them. So when you activate Find My device, these will actually ping off and sound off, so they're easier to locate. So nice little features to help locate, to help, I guess, make them easier to put them on your wrist with that little lanyard. And on the insides, you can actually see a little difference here. The V2s have an extra little cutout, and that, I believe, is for better active noise canceling. That's obviously one of the big features of AirPod Pros, and the rest of the design is pretty similar if you had them both side by side. Once again, I will bring them up for comparison's sake. You honestly, probably just from eyeballing it, wouldn't be able to tell the difference. The new 2s also have the new H2 chip inside, so that's just higher fidelity sound, and they also have better controls along the stems, so now you can actually move up and down the stems to increase or decrease the volume. We have 2 times better active noise canceling and adaptive transparency, which is their transparency mode, being able to, I guess, listen to things coming from the outsides, but it also helps reduce unwanted sounds, like, for example, sirens. There's actually just a person mowing the lawn just outside, so that would be super useful to help block sounds out like that. They also have the new personalized spatial audio, which you can set up in app, and overall the battery life is actually very similar to V1s as well. You're still getting up to 6 hours with active noise canceling, and with the case, you're looking at around 30 hours of combined playback. So I do think it's a nice little upgrade from the V1s, especially seeing as these are now close to 3 years old. I'm actually really surprised I haven't lost these. I've lost my OG AirPods a couple times, but for some reason, I've been able to hold on to these, so I'm happy to make the upgrade. So if you're eyeing the new AirPod Pros, V2s, or the 2nd gen, now is the time to pick them up. I am super pumped that they did keep prices the same. So $249 USD, $329 Canadian, and you can even personalize the case with an emoji, a little saying. You can even get a good old poop emoji, which mine on order currently have that coming. And they actually do have that matching to the app. So when you pair it, you will see your poop emoji on your AirPods within app. So that's just a nice little Easter egg, something cool. That's your kind of first look at the new AirPod Pro 2s. I can never get the name right. Hope you guys enjoyed this vid, and I will catch the rest of you in one of my next vids. Peace.